Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to continue with PinFact or Fake, and we are going to test out these glow stick DIYs I found on Pinterest. Let's begin! So for this first pin, I really wanted to test out to see if the balloons were in fact that bright as they were in the photo. So here we have a few different colors of glow sticks. Then you just want to crack them to activate them, of course. And to add a little bit more intensity to the actual balloons themselves, I am not using plain white balloons, I am using colored balloons. So the yellow glow stick will go with the yellow balloon, the green with the green balloon, and so on and so forth. So here you see I have broken the glow sticks and they're all nice and bright now. Here I have the yellow balloon and I am inserting a yellow glow stick right in the middle. So the easiest way I found to go about it is to blow up the balloon first and then just kind of stick the glow stick in there. It might be a little challenging at first, but it's definitely easy once you kind of get used to it. So once you have inserted the glow stick, don't forget to tie your balloon. And now we are going to put it to the test. And here you see the balloon kind of glowing a pretty good amount, I'm not gonna lie. The camera didn't pick it up as much as I would have liked it to, of course, but it did glow a good amount, which I was kind of surprised. I thought I was gonna get like a very faint light from the glow sticks, but it was a little more. So here I'm doing the same thing with a green balloon, the green glow stick, the green balloon, just so that I can add a little more intensity to the color. So this is what the balloons look like once they've all been inflated, and I place them in the pool just to avoid them from popping. And so you can see there is kind of a faint color coming through, definitely more in the green than the yellow opposed to the blue. And then this is what the photo looks like once I added a filter. So the green and the yellow are definitely brighter, but to be honest, they're nothing quite like the original pin I found on Pinterest. And after about like 30 minutes, they did dim down quite a lot. So I'm gonna leave this one up to you if you want to say if it's PinFact or PinFake. On to the next pin. This one claims that all you have to do is break a glow stick in half and add it to clear nail polish to achieve these results here. So let's find out if it's indeed fact or fake. So here I have already broken the glow stick to activate the solution. Next I'm going to do is just cut the top of it and start adding it to the nail polish. After adding the entire solution into your nail polish, don't forget to give it a good shake, and then you just want to start applying it to your nails. Here I am applying with a heavy hand just because I really wanted my nails to be very voluminous and bright. So let's see what happens now. And nothing. I'm sorry guys, I wish this one really would have worked. I really wanted it to work, but as much as I tried to even add more solution into the bottle just to make sure, I didn't even get a hint of any bright light, nothing. And here I am applying it in the dark for those of you who still may be skeptical, and you can even see the brush itself was not glowing outside of the bottle. So I'm saying this one is fake. Now for the third pin I found is this really cool DIY that claims if you break a glow stick in half and add it to your bubble mix, it will make your bubbles glow. So all you have to do is add your solution to the bubble soap, and then you just want to give it a real good shake. Looks cool, doesn't it? Now after shaking the bubbles and combining both of them, I am just going to test it by blowing bubbles in front of the camera just to show you that nothing happened. I'm sorry to give you guys another fake pin, but I got nothing, not even a small dim faint little spark of light. Here I'm attempting to blow bubbles again, but like you can see there's really nothing there. Next, I just wanted to show you that the solution itself did glow, but once you tried blowing the bubbles, nothing would happen. So here we have our fourth and final pin that claims if you add the glow stick to water and you tap the jar itself, an aurora will come off of it. So let's give it a try. Here I am just adding different amounts of water into mason jars as said in the pin. Then I'm going to separate each one by color, and the next thing I'm going to do is just break them right in half and then start letting the solution kind of dissolve into the water. So weirdly enough, if you can take a real good look at the mason jar, you just see like little bubbles or pools of the solution. For some reason, the glow stick wouldn't even combine with the water itself. So here I'm just trying to add as much as the glow solution as I could to the water, but as you can see, they just kind of didn't combine for some weird reason. So to give it another go, I just decided to add the bubble solution to it to make it glow, opposed to testing out the pin with it looking like this green one here where it's not even all that bright. So back to the purple mason jar. Here you're going to see me start tapping the glass jar, waiting for those aurora lights. And then you're just going to see a little like bang on the glass jar, like the shadow. And nada. This whole video was basically a fail. I'm so sorry guys, but as much as I tried with the balloons, which were a 50-50, the nail polish, nuh-uh, then the mason jars, again, nuh-uh, and then the bubbles, another no-go. I'm sorry guys, but I think all these pins, maybe with an exception to the balloons ones, were all fake, but definitely worth a shot giving them a try, and I can't wait to try out more pins. Alright, well thanks for watching everyone, and please subscribe.